what go on. I don't know if you can hear me because I'm doing a little construction thingy around there, so. But I got a package that I got for my Christmas gift, and it just a come. In a January, it just a come. So, Mr. Me unbox it on camera. You know, little more content. Camera really not have a heap of content. But yeah, it shipped from... Me not seen a date, but I want to open it and I can't wait for open it because I think I know what it is. Ow. And if I do know what it is, I am happy that it is. I am happy that... Thank you. Oh my God. So no more do I need to hold the phone like this. I make it a shake every minute. I have a stabilizer. I now have a video making kit stabilizer. So see it here. I'm not sure if Amazon or wherever it buy from. But I am so happy because I was dying. When I didn't cuss me say, so God send a gift for me. Thank you so much. I am in love with it. I am in love with it. See it here? So if you're into vlogging, whether it's for YouTube or any other website, invest in them something, yeah? Or ask your people them for a gift. I did. And I got this gift. See it here? It comes with, I think this is the handheld part where you go hold the camera. This is camera 360. So this is a button to operate the camera if you set it up somewhere. Then I have a mic. Here, I feel professional. Me feel professional. Then the little clasp here to hold the camera, and then this is lighting. This is the light, and then I think this is to connect. Yeah, to connect the microphone to the camera. So I really love it. You know, come with the instructions. So God help me to fit this up. God help me to fit this up. But I am so in love with it. I'm going to go on the road because it's going to be a long ass day today. I have to go to a little family get together thing, and then the weekend is approaching. I get a gift here too, but everybody know what is a flat iron. So I got this flat iron too. It is 450 Fahrenheit. It has 20 variable heat setting, and it's gold ceramic professional press comb, high heat. So I cut my ear, as you can see, in a little bob, because I feel kind of cute and so I got this too as a gift. Like they know that I've always wanted this since I got my hair relaxed. And you see, when we talk to people in our surrounding, we listen to you. Because I ordered one of this for myself, and so now I'm going to have to cancel that order and order something else because I got this one as a gift. See? It is so cute with the gold. I like it. And here it has the power button, the lights, and a stand. Oh, when it gets hot, you put it down like so. Or so. Oh, you go. So, yeah. See, they put it down so. But yeah, I really do like it. I really like it. And see there, the plug. I think this is the US plug. So yeah, I really like it. I'm going to plug this in and try it. See there? And flat out my ear instead of I use flat iron and I come so. Just use the run through it, come through my ear. I don't know what in there, but me feel safer for opening it off camera. But anyways, guys, I'm getting hot, so I'm going to get some stuff done and rehydrate myself, and then I'll see you guys in another clip. All right, so come.
So then, why?
Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please remember to subscribe and do come again and get you one of these. Alright, bye.